Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Systeme.io affiliate marketing links for US sales. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your browser and navigate to the Systeme.io website. Log into your Systeme.io account using your credentials. Once logged in, go to the dashboard. On the left side menu, locate and click on Affiliate. Select Affiliate Program from the drop-down options. You should now see an overview of your affiliate program settings. Click on the Add a New Affiliate Link button. In the provided fields, enter the name for your affiliate link. Select the product you want to promote from the drop-down menu. Set the commission rate for your affiliates in the designated field. Choose the currency as USD for the United States market. Fill in any additional details or notes specific to this link. Make sure to toggle the link status to active. Click the Save button to save your new affiliate link. Now navigate back to your affiliate dashboard. Here, you can view the newly created affiliate link. Copy the affiliate link for distribution. Share this link with your affiliates to start earning commissions. Verify that the link directs to the correct product page. Encourage your affiliates to use tracking tools for their sales. Regularly monitor the performance of your affiliate links through the dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.